Dong. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Cardano looking very nice indeed. How you guys doing? Doing good? Family is good, kids are good, nice. Okay, so we are up 6% right now. We are above the 20 moving average over here, looking good and nice indeed. So the question is why I'm not pumping more. It's only up 6% right now. You know, but everything is around those numbers right now. But I think right now that what's happening here, that we are breaking some last resistance, in this pattern over here. And right now, if we can hold it until tomorrow, then we might actually go up higher. So let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger, and see how this is actually working out. So it goes something like this over here. I think, yeah, you give your take, you know, you give your take. But you can see here that right now we are breaking that resistance, and as long as we hold above this level up here, there is technically no more levels to be broken. Like all of this over here is broken, right? You can see here these levels are, which have been holding us back for a while. All of these levels are broken. Like there is nothing, not even this trend line over here is going to hold it. So if you can manage to actually stay above all of these levels, that will be somewhere around let's say yeah, give or take 183. If you can stay above 183 over here, that's 183. That will be like best case scenario, because you will be technically breaking all of these blue resistance down here. You will be breaking the trend line. You will still be above all the moving averages, of course, as we are already, and it will be just like the perfect case scenario. So let's go a little bit into the shorter time frame, this 4 hourly. You can see here that we have been already technically gone down and retested on the 4 hourly. Let's see a little bit on the 1 hourly how that looks. You can see here we went back, now we're going back up a little bit again. What's gonna happen and what kind of sideways movement is gonna be, but there's some kind of consolidation right now, because we escaped these moving averages down here. So now right now we are waiting for the moving averages, and we are expecting to either bounce off them or hold down here. For the daily, there's still something like 11 hours left to go. That's like 4 4-hourly candles. So if you look at just on the 4-hourly candles, we got this candle over here that's closing in 3 hours, and then we got have 2 more 4-hourly candles before the daily is closed. And once the daily is closed, I think it's going to go up if it managed to hold above this level over here, this level up here. I think that's one of the most important levels right now, because if you do that, you're above so many things. So many things right now. You are already above this high over here, which is quite good, and this high over here, like we are making higher highs all the time. Is it higher highs over here? Yeah, it is higher high. So technically we are still in a strong uptrend. Only this one over here is actually causing us a little bit of problem, but it looks like that might be broken on the 4-hourly pretty soon. This level might actually, we might take out this level pretty soon, and then after that, like you got this to the upside. It's basically, I mean, sure that there's a little resistance here and a little resistance there, but the big kahunas, you know, big kahunas, they are all done. Everything down here will be done. Like it will be like as soon as we can manage to stay above this level up here, everything down here is technically done. It will no longer be any kind of resistance to us, and as long as we can actually stay above this level up here, of course break this alignment resistance at 185 as well, to take out the last 4-hourly week close, 4-hourly close. That would be the best case scenario. But like from over here all the way up to the top, to the 2.3, there is no resistance. Technically there is no resistance. This is just one line up, this is just one line down. This is just seemingly one move, and it ends up here at 2.3. So I think tomorrow, if we can manage to stay, this might actually pump hard. Like I don't see any other way, that, like 24%, something like that. Maybe tomorrow is gonna be a crazy day. Tomorrow is Friday. Are we pumping on Friday, guys? Are we pumping on a Friday? I don't know, because maybe they want to pump it on Friday and then dump it on a bloody Sunday. You know, you never know. You never know what's gonna happen. but it does look extremely good to me. I don't see this having any kind of weaknesses right now. Bitcoin is also, you know, performing as expected. Everything is performing as expected. So I just don't see it. I don't see it why there should be any kind of problem for us right now. Yeah, this resistance up here will be tough because this all-time high 2.3. So we're gonna see that. But right now for today, the best case scenario is just getting about 183. If you can get about 183. A lot is done, and you can see that we are already there. We haven't closed yet there, but the 4 hourly is creating higher high. We are going up. We are being pushed by the moving averages here. You can see all these moving averages. We are above all moving averages on 1 hourly, 4 hourly, daily. Everything is looking superb. The only thing that can actually stop the move towards the upside tomorrow is the fact that we are a little bit extended from the 10 moving averages. So maybe tomorrow is the 10 moving average will be somewhere around here, both of them, and then we might actually still pump. But you know, that's that. You know, because you when you are going up, you don't want the moving averages to go something like this. You want moving averages to go something like this. The more steeper the moving averages are, the faster you go up, right? So when they are going like sideways, like over here, it's really hard to climb, because you have to climb and then you have to wait for this moving averages to turn towards you, and then you have to climb faster and faster and faster, right? So just having these daily moving averages going like sideways is not actually the optimal thing. You can see here how it took before the moving averages changed the direction. We had to bump from over here all the way to the top, like to change the direction of the moving average, right? But it did go fast. But once you go up, like you have to have a big consolidation, and then you continue going up, right? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's a 1 week consolidation here until we actually continue pumping up, because we have to wait for the moving, because they are so slow moving. So you cannot pump much and then pump much again, because you are so far away from the moving averages. So you pump, then you go consolidate and then pump. Now if this has continued going pumping, that it would have been faster and you wouldn't need this consolidation on 7 days. But right now, in case we do pump all the way up here, there will definitely be some kind of consolidation period after whatever price we get, because you know the moving averages are going like sideways. So you know they need time to pick up with the price and come after it and then bounce off of those. But either way, it does look good. 183 is the target for us right now to stay above. After that, 2.3. If we manage to stay above 183, like you know, tomorrow, you know, target should be 2.3. Because there is technically no resistance here. There is no resistance. Maybe there is some kind of a let's see. Maybe there is some kind of a trend line resistance over here. That's, you know, that can be giving us some kind of, something like this. Yeah, give or take. You know, you never know how these things work out. You know, something like this. Maybe somewhere over here there should maybe be some kind of a resistance. Let's see if we can find anything. Maybe in middle over here at something at 205 or something like this. There's some kind of a trend line that I haven't noticed yet. You know, it can always be that, you know, but you know, we take what we get, and right now we are getting the 183, and we want to get above 183, and we'll also climb the 2.3 eventually and see how it feels to be all-time high again. Anyways, come back tomorrow, subscribe to the channel, check out the video tomorrow as well, and see how it's gonna perform tomorrow and what's gonna happen. You know, but it looks good, it looks very good, so no problems in paradise. Thanks, and on the way out, smash the like button. Thanks guys, see you around, bye bye.